Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a way to customize your steering wheel. Now in your Teslas, there's a million different ways you can customize your steering wheel. You can even change out the entire thing with lots of different options. One thing we're going to be installing today is some matte carbon fiber steering wheel covers to match some of the other carbon fiber accessories I've added to my car. Let's get into it. I'm no stranger to customizing my Tesla. I've done almost anything you can think of to this Tesla. If you followed the channel for a while, you'll see that. One thing I've never changed out is the steering wheel. There's so many options though of ways you can customize your steering wheel. You can install like the yoke style steering wheel, the Squircle, which is kind of like the Cybertruck. There's tons and tons of different options out there. I've always kind of just been a fan of the round steering wheel, leaving it alone. I've never really wanted to mess with the airbag and things like that. Just for personal preferences, right? That's just things I've not wanted to do. I know it's a fairly easy process, but I often look at ways that I can customize my existing Tesla without taking everything apart. So what I found were these really cool carbon fiber steering wheel covers that fit just kind of around the trim on your actual stock steering wheel for your 2020 to 2024 Model Y, Model 3s that have the old style steering wheel. So I really like these. They're super simple to install. You can see they just have some adhesive on the back there. They come in a couple different styles. So I want to show you the difference here. This is the matte carbon fiber. You can kind of see that, how it's a nice matte finish, kind of subtle carbon fiber, which I love that matte carbon fiber style. I have it a lot of different places on my car. But it also comes in a glossy carbon fiber. So something like that, if you're going for like a gloss kind of accent. So a couple different options there for you to actually choose which one you like the most. Let me bring you in here and show you where it actually goes on the steering wheel. Right here on your steering wheel, you have just some blank space. On your standard stock Tesla steering wheel, it's just kind of, just a plastic kind of finish. It's not going to affect anything with your functionality of your scrolling wheels or your airbags or anything like that. So where these little cover pieces fit is right along the actual place like there. And then you have a nice cutout for your actual wheel, and it looks really, really sharp as well. It adds that carbon fiber accent, which I have on my dash here. I have on several exterior accessories. I really like how it looks. Installation is super simple. In the package, you'll see these are packaged really, really nicely. They are just all individually wrapped in a little box, and they all kind of come out in their individual bubble wrap. So they're packaged really, really nicely too. Let's actually take a look here. I'm going to show you the difference again between the carbon fiber matte and the carbon fiber gloss. So you can choose which one you like. Now, if I put them up there, you can kind of see the difference a little bit. I know the lighting's not the best in here. It's super overcast outside. So I'm going to go with the matte ones today, and this is what we're going to install on my steering wheel here. So in the package, it also comes with adhesion promoter. This is just kind of like an alcohol wipe, just to make sure there's no residue. You're touching this all the time, right, with your hands. So making sure it's nice and clean before you try to install any like sticky accessories is a really good deal. So I'm going to take my time, clean everything with the adhesion promoter, and just make sure there's no residue or oils or dust or anything like that around my steering wheel. All right, that dried super fast. Let's go ahead and start peeling off some of the adhesive backing on this. Sometimes this is tricky to get your fingernail under the little adhesive backing, so sometimes I use like an X-Acto knife to help me peel these off. We'll see how difficult it is this time. So it looks like they used some really nice high quality adhesive this time. I didn't have any issues peeling the actual back off. Looking at the back real quick, you can see this is genuine carbon fiber. These aren't just like little plastic covers, cheap looking. This is a genuine carbon fiber, a really nice accessory, last you a long time. Let's go ahead and install this side over here. Line it up nice and right. And line up that top piece so it kind of covers around. Line up in the hole there. And just attach it with some firm pressure. It's really all you got to do. And that's it. You got a nice customized steering wheel on your left side there. Let's go ahead and finish up the right side and the bottom. So bringing you guys in for a completed look. This is kind of what it looks like with that matte carbon fiber finish all installed on the steering wheel. No functionality issues with any of the actual buttons or wheels or anything like that. It just adds a nice kind of contrast to your stock steering wheel. Matches my carbon fiber dash I installed a few weeks ago, and I really like how that matte carbon fiber looks. It's not too shiny, you're not going to get any glare in your eyes or anything like that. Definite thumbs up for me. So like we said, a super short video because it's a super simple install, but it makes a big impact. I really like how it accents my steering wheel while keeping it nice in stock and keeping it safe. If you want to go the customization route, there are tons of options out there. I should mention that I got these covers from Tessery, so I'll have a link down in the description to them as well. And if you ever shop at Tessery, use discount code GAMBLE1080 right here on the screen to help save you 10%. If you are looking for a replacement steering wheel, I highly recommend going with them. They have tons of options on their website. So if you're looking for a yoke, one of the Squircles, any other really cool custom like race car inspired steering wheels, check them out on their website as well. Tessery's been a really great partner. And I should mention that if you do use my discount code at Tessery, it is an affiliate code. So I do get a very small commission when anyone uses that code at no additional cost to you, but it really goes out and helps and supports the channel. So I appreciate you guys using that too. Whether you're interested in these matte carbon fiber ones or the actual gloss carbon fiber ones, they have really cool options there for customizing your Tesla. If you're interested in any of the other things I've done to my Tesla, check out my Amazon storefront right here and a link down in the description below. And, just appreciate you guys always coming back to the channel, checking things out. Let me know if this is something you would install on your legacy Model Y, or if you're looking for something for your new Juniper. Maybe you can find that on Tessery's website as well. Thank you guys for coming back. Feel free to like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video.